We started a very productive collaboration with Carolyn Bertazzi, who is the recognized world expert on the glycocalyx. And we have, support to do this work. And what we showed many, many years ago is that circulating tumor cells have a very prominent glycocalyx. So it's not so much that it's different in terms of protein levels, but the sugar modifications are fundamentally different. And this has effect on steric hindrance to affect signaling. It also impedes natural killer cell interactions and T cell and what have you interactions with these tumor cells. And of course, what Carolyn has done, and now we've really elaborated on, is looking at some of these sialoglycans that have very profound immune suppressive functions. And what we found and reported in that paper to start with is that there's a correlation between the degree and level of fibrosis in the tissue and some of these modifications in the glycocalyx. Now, what we are doing currently in the group, and this is led by my colleague and my trainee, Kevin Tharp, whom you just heard from a few minutes ago, looking at how the altered metabolic state of the tumor cells, we had a nice cell metabolism paper describing how the matrix drives a rewiring of the mitochondria and how that in turn influences the type of glycocalyx and presumably some of the sugar modifications, which we're now investigating. So it goes hand in glove to look at how fibrosis can change metabolism, which can change the glycocalyx, which now contributes in another mechanism of immune evasion, if you will, and potentiating metastases and metastatic outgrowth.